You still need to bend over during your day, right? Well, if you deal with back pain, you're probably wondering how you can move in that way without wrecking your back. So today I'm going to show you a simple stance that protects your spine and how to use it to make everyday tasks like vacuuming, sweeping, or even shoveling easier, safer, and pain-free. I'm Dr. Ryan Wolfert, and most back pain from bending doesn't come from the movement itself. It comes from how you move. When you round your low back while leaning forward, you load the small joints and the discs in your spine in a way that they were never meant to handle. And over time, this leads to soreness, tightness, and even injuries that can linger. The good news is you don't need to avoid bending forever. You just need to bend in a smarter way. This is where a specific stance comes in, and it's called the fencer stance. The name comes from the sport of fencing, where athletes need a strong, stable base to move quickly and safely. Now, in everyday life, this stance lets you reach, push, and pull without putting dangerous stress on your spine. So here's how you're going to do it. You're going to step 1 foot forward and keep 1 foot back. It's a comfortable stride. You're not going to overstride or overstretch it. You want to keep your front knee softly bent. You don't have to go down into a full lunge. You're also going to hinge at your hips, not your low back. So bend from the hips, not your back. Your spine stays long and neutral while your legs do the work. This positioning shifts the effort into your hips and legs, the strong muscles built for that movement, instead of forcing it onto your low back to absorb the load. This stance isn't just a rehab trick. It's a movement pattern that you can use in dozens of daily tasks. For example, vacuuming or sweeping. You can just step forward and glide the vacuum or the broom while your back stays neutral and straight. What about shoveling? Again, place 1 foot in front of the other, hinge from your hips, and let your legs drive the movement instead of twisting and lifting from the spine. And when you have to clean lower surfaces, like wiping a coffee table, picking up toys, or mopping, can all be done with this staggered fencer's type stance. Really, anytime you need to bend, push, or pull, this fencer stance gives you the leverage and protects your low back and the rest of your spine. This stance mainly protects your spine in 3 key ways. Number 1, it reduces the disc pressure. So keeping a neutral spine spreads the load evenly instead of compressing the front of your discs. Number 2, it uses the stronger muscles of your body, your hips, thighs, and even your core muscles, the bigger, more powerful, stronger muscles. They take over the heavy work. Number 3, it improves your balance. So a staggered stance gives you more stability and balance, so you're less likely to slip, twist, or strain your back. And here's how you can start this today. Just practice at home with light tasks like sweeping or vacuuming, or pick a specific task that you do and focus on that. You'll want to focus on hinging at the hips, not rounding the back. And also regularly switch which foot is forward so you're avoiding working or overworking one side more than the other. Plus, that also works on your overall coordination. And when you do this, pair it with gentle core engagement. Think of it of lightly bracing your core, your midsection, as you move to help stabilize your spine even more. This staggered or fencer stance is one of the simplest ways to keep your back safe while staying active. So instead of avoiding movement, you're training your body to move the way it was designed to keep it strong, stable, and efficient. So that's it for today's video. If you want to find out more in depth about how your spine and posture is directly affecting your overall health and how you can fix it, just click the first link in the description and we'll get you scheduled for a posture and mobility assessment. And we can do this no matter where you are in the world. And as always, be your own guarantee for your health and your life.